After we have learned about number lines, we are going to discuss the symbols to compare numbers, namely less than, greater than, and equal sign. Mula sa 0 at pakanan, ito ay lumalaki ang kanyang value. At pakaliwa naman, ito ay lumiliit ang value. Ang pag-uusapan lang natin ay ang mga positive integers mula 0 hanggang 100. Tingnan natin kung totoo talagang ang nasa kaliwang bilang ay mas maliit kaysa nasa kanan. Let's take for example 15 and then 20. That's correct. 15 is less than 20. Let's take another example. 28 and 32. Tama! 28 is less than 32. Sa mathematics, maraming symbols na ating pwedeng gamitin to represent some English words. For example, this is the less than sign. Ang ibig sabihin, yung unang number ay mas maliit kaysa sa pangalawang number. Let's take, for example, 15 and then 20. That's correct. 15 is less than 20. Kapag pinaghahambing natin ang dalawang bilang at mas maliit ang nasa una, ang less than sign ang ating gagamitin. This is read as 15 is less than 20. I repeat, 15 is less than 20. The next symbol that we are going to discuss is the greater than sign. Let's compare the number 56 and 46. Let's compare the number 56 and 46. Can you determine the symbol that we are going to use in these numbers? Yes, you are right. It's the greater than sign. You will read this as 56 is greater than 46. I repeat, 56 is greater than 46. The next symbol we are going to discuss is the equal sign. It means both numbers are the same. For example, 56 is compared to 56. They have the same value. Therefore, the symbol we are going to use is the equal sign. Now, it is read as 56 is equal to 56. Now, it's your turn to determine the symbols we are going to use in comparing two numbers. Which symbol are you going to use? 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 Ngayong natuto na naman kayo sa isang lesson, kailangan ito ay hindi ipagdamot. Kailangan i-share ninyo sa inyong mga kaibigan. Bye-bye! Sa mga magulang na interesadong i-join ang kanilang mga anak upang maging bihasa sa math, mangyari po lamang na makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin ng IVFC Early Learners Info page. See you there!